Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. What ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it and use it as well. All right, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you guys to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be all set and you'll be in the know. All right. Okay, today I placed an order not that long ago, so it came pretty quickly on IPSY's area that is called the Shopper. If you're not familiar with the Shopper, and that's why I always recommend to start with the $12 GLAM bag, because you get all that fantastic stuff in the GLAM bag, but it also gets you part of the IPSY family. And what that means is access to the Shopper and the deals that they offer in there. And they are just fantastic. 9 a.m. every day, they have in the Shopper a bunch of new deals that, especially at least one in those bundles there. But if you go a little bit further down on that page, you will see that they have either past $12 bags or they have what they call a mystery bag. And because I didn't do any add-ons this month of July, I did so many in June, I didn't want to do any. I figured if there was a mystery bag, because there wasn't one last month, I would grab that instead. And that's what I did. So today I'm going to be sharing with you this IPSY mystery bag for the month of July. And like I said, this is found on the Shopper. If you go a little further down on the page, it's the middle of the page, you will see a bunch of bags. And usually the first one is the one that's most recent. And it will definitely have a picture of this bag on here. And this one says, "Take Me Away." And it's made with that same material that we all got in our GLAM bags and GLAM boxes in the month of July, but the only difference is ours had a little airplane guy on here as the toggle. This one simply has a round circle, and this one simply says IPSY. I should show this to you guys up close, and that's what it looks like here. So I'm happy that, you know, if you don't get the GLAM bag, maybe you just get the plus. This is $14, so it's a couple of dollars more, but to me it is, you get to choose when you want it, if there's one available, as opposed to be on a monthly subscription. So I love that that option is in there. And I've only done one mystery bag before, and I was so impressed with it. And I open up my bags prior to take a picture for Instagram before I sit down here to make sure, number one, that nothing is damaged, but also to take all the packaging off so I don't struggle with it on camera. And here I get to play and swatch. So I want everything to look perfect for the picture for Instagram, and then we get to play on YouTube. So the first item that I got in my bag, for the mystery bag for July, is one that I've had in the past in different colors, and I really, really am so excited to one day hopefully have the opportunity to buy a full palette from this company. It is called Color Raine. Their packaging is just stunning, and the fact that this is for like one shadow that they spend this kind of money on this type of color foiled packaging blows my mind. So you can know right away that this is a higher end product. And like I said, it's called Color Raine. And the color that I got in this eyeshadow is called Champagne Life. And it says that this is specially made by IPSY for Color Raine. So I want to make sure that we share that information. Then this one here looks like this. And then that's the color. Is that not stunning? I mean, the payoff is just beyond. I am always so blown away with everything from this brand that I've had the opportunity to receive. You could use this as a highlighter. You could use this as an eyeshadow. To me, this is spectacular. So like I said, they're calling it an eyeshadow, but definitely this can be either or. Stunning, stunning, stunning. So that's the first item that's in this mystery bag. The second item, another fantastic brand. This is called from Purlisse. This is what this looks like here. And this one is a coconut oil and Plumeria Silky Body Butter. When you get the mystery bag, there's no paperwork with it, so I'm going to read what I can off the products here. I couldn't prepare for it because I didn't know what was going to be in the bag because it was a mystery. So this one here says it is, it smooths, hydrates, and nourishes and deeply moisturizes, and they're saying it is for all skin types. And it just says massage on your entire body, gently enough for everyday use. For best results, use after the Purlisse Coconut Oil and Plumeria Coffee Body Scrub. All right, so let's see what we have here. We'll see if there is a safety seal. There is. And let's see if I'll get lucky. And I did. We got it off. And then let's put a little bit on our hand here. And that's what the product looks like here. It really just has a very, very nice, soft scent, but very feminine. Really, really pretty. Oh, and it feels like luxury. That's what the product looks like there. Oh, so pretty. Moisturized, regularly moisturized, freshly moisturized, from earlier today moisturized. Really, really pretty. Okay, so that's the second item that we got. Another, I think, winner. The next item I got is from this brand called Fluid. And I've had this product in the past. This one is in the color Candy Bar, and it's more of those brownier shades. And if you ever get your packaging where it looks like it's separated a little bit, what I do when we get this, and this was completely sealed, so it's not like it's, you know, anyone's been in it. I simply turn it around with the wand inside to kind of mix it, and then within a second, it's all perfect. So that's what the product looks like here. We'll do a little swatch of it here. It is a very, very deep, I'm surprised this is in a July box. It is a very deep, deep brown color, and that's what it looks like there. All right. The next item that we got is from the Betty Boop collection, and I received a lot of products. 1 month they did a collab with IPSY and being able to use the Betty Boop theme. This product I never got, and I'm excited to give it a try. This one is their mascara, and I love trying new mascaras. It has one of those ones that is very similar to either the L'Oreal Paradise or the Too Faced mascara, and that's what this looks like here. So excited to give that a try. Love the brush. Excited. We'll see if the formula is good as well. But I really did like most of the products that were in, if not all, in the Betty Boop. The next item that we got was in a full retail packaging, and this is a product that I've purchased in the past from this brand, and I'm so happy it's in here. This Half Caked is a really, really good brand, and the product that, the color that I received is in Power Trip, and that's what it looks like here. So I'm really surprised that the colors are so deep. They're more fall colors to me than they are summer colors, but I love this brand. Also, the tip on this, when you're putting your lip products on, it has that cutout, which makes it so perfect to hug the lips. I love when brands do this. So Half Cake does that, and I've used their products and really, really enjoyed it. The product here, let's see what it says. It says on here that it is babe tested, vegan approved, and it just simply says Power Trip, and it doesn't tell you what it is, but I'm assuming it's a liquid lip, and that's what the product looks like in the bottle, and that's what it looked like swatch. So very, very dark as well. All right, and the last item that I received, which is unbelievable, is we got a full-size brush in here. And the full-size brush, this one, it looks like it is from sorry, God, so hard to read. I think it's Miss GLAM. I'll put it up here so maybe you guys know, and if you see, if I'm not saying it right, please correct me in the comments down below. But if you can see here, it's got those cute little 2 rhinestones here, and is that perfect size brush that you can use for powder, for blush, for contour. Really, really pretty, really, really nice, and that's what's in here. So I think this is a great mystery bag. I don't know if when you order a mystery bag, if you're going to get similar items, or if it's a true mystery and it's everyone they get different bundles in the bags. But I do know that it's still available before I posted. So please check in the shopper down below. Halfway through, you will see a bunch of bags lined up that look like this. And then this is the one that I just opened for you right now, which is the July one. All right, just to recap, we got a full-size brush. We got a full-size lip product from Half Caked. We got another full-size product from Fluid. We received a sample size of the Betty Boop. I'm pretty sure this is a full-size single of the color Raine eyeshadow, and this one is in Champagne Life. And then we got a deluxe sample size of the moisturizer from Purlisse, plus the beautiful bag. So all of that for $14. And that's why I love IPSY. I think that they always have these other little deals around that I always tell you guys, if you're not getting subscription boxes, but you want to try it and you want to see if it's something that you'll enjoy, to me, the IPSY bag is the best way to start because it gets you into the IPSY family. Because if you do reviews on these products, that gets you points, and points equals free products. They always have deals going on with add-ons as well as with the shopper. Every day there's a new bundle or a new deal. I just think it's a great way to start. So if you're like me and you love this type of stuff, to me, the IPSY Glam bag is the one to start with, and then it opens you up to the IPSY family. All right, wanted to share that with you guys today, and that's our video for today. So just want to make sure that you guys know how much I truly do appreciate that you take any time out of your day to spend it with me here. If you have a moment, I would also appreciate if you took the time to give me a thumbs up. It's right underneath the picture video that you're watching now. You will see it. The thumbs up is there. You'll tick on it, the number will increase and it will turn blue, and that's how you know that you've supported me on this channel. Thank you so much for doing that, because on the YouTube platform, they do look at the thumbs up, and if they see a lot of them, YouTube then gives us a shout out by putting our videos in front of other people that haven't met us yet, but they do enjoy my type of content. So this way they'll get to meet me. So by you doing that right underneath the video, that helps me out a lot. So thank you for doing that for me. I do truly appreciate it. But like I say, during this time, all of this is fun and it's enjoyable to be able to, you know, hopefully bring a little light into your life for the few minutes that we get to spend together. But the health is number one, because if you don't have health, you can't enjoy this. So I want to make sure that everybody continues to stay safe and stay well. And I'll have the opportunity then to see you in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.